Hello, Dr. Cranky's here. We've got this bike here, but if you come in and have a look closely, you'll find that the grips are worn out. Can you see that? The grips are worn out. And even more critically, see the ends here? There's no cap on the end. So if you fell on that, that could make a hole in your body. It would skewer you. So we're going to show you today how to replace the grips. So it's all safe. You can see it's on the other side as well. And this one. Alright? So if you hop back there, I'll show you how to do this. So the first thing you do is got to get the old grips off. Sometimes they come off nice and easily. Other times you're going to have to pull the ends up, and if you have got any hairspray, you can lift up the end, put a bit of hairspray in there, or even water, but don't use oil. Oil will stay slippery. And then we'll pull this other one off. Sometimes it takes a bit of effort to get it off. There we are. So we've got those both off, and they're pretty. I sometimes keep those and cut them up. You can use them as little spaces for when you're putting reflectors or other things on. Okay, and so we've got two new grips we're going to put on. The first thing we've got to do is measure the length. So if you bring that in here, I'll show you what we're going to do. So if you come on this side, you can see that's too long for there. This is the closed end, so we've got to put that there, and we've got to measure there, so we'll cut that, what do you think, about here. Maybe take a little bit more. So we'll cut that off there. And on this other side, we could probably use the full length. Okay, so we've got there two lengths in place. If you just try to put that straight on, it's really hard to get on. Alright, so there's two things you can do. The first thing is hairspray. It's good because it goes on like liquid, but then it dries off. The other thing you can do is to put a bit of spit in. It does the same thing. So, not too much hairspray. It goes on, and we'll have to wind it on. Alright, and that'll dry off. And same on the other side. Bit of hairspray. Oh, that smells. And sometimes it takes a bit of effort. Oh, that one we didn't put enough on. Try a little bit here. There we go. It's all the way in. You'll have to leave it for a few minutes so it's dry, but now we've got two ends, two new grips on our bike, ready to go, and the ends are plugged. Right to go.